Welcome, gamers and nostalgia enthusiasts. Today, we're excited to explore the retro game console RETROPLAY HDD, a plug-and-play emulator console that promises to take you on a nostalgic gaming journey. This console is packed with over 60,000 classic video games and is compatible with more than 70 emulators. Stay tuned as we dive into what makes this gaming hard drive a must-have for retro gaming fans. And remember, you can grab this console through our Amazon affiliate link in the video description. One of the console's most impressive features is its extensive game library. With over 60,000 classic video games built in, it's like having a treasure trove of gaming history at your fingertips. Whether you're a fan of old-school arcade games or classic console titles, this device has something for everyone. Its compatibility with a wide range of emulators adds to its appeal, allowing you to relive the glory days of gaming across various platforms. Beyond its rich game library, the RETROPLAY HDD offers a range of user-friendly features. You can easily add and delete game files, save your progress, read game progress, use game cheats, and more. The included gamepad, with its ultra-low latency and sensitive joystick control, enhances the gaming experience, making it feel more authentic and immersive. In terms of performance, the console shines with its 2.5-inch hard drive and supports SATA 3.0 to USB 3.0, offering fast reading and writing speeds that reduce game loading times and delays. Its small, exquisite design makes it easy to carry, perfect for gamers on the go. Plus, the console's smooth operation and clear picture quality ensure a stable and enjoyable gaming experience. The RETROPLAY HDD boasts wide compatibility, working seamlessly with computers, notebooks, mini PCs, and smart TVs. It's easy to set up, just connect it to your device using the included USB 3.0 cable and you're ready to play. The console supports operating systems Windows 8.1 or later, making it a versatile choice for different setups. Finally, the after-sales service is another plus. The console comes with a 3-month free return service and lifetime after-sale technical support. This commitment to customer satisfaction ensures you can enjoy your retro gaming experience with peace of mind. To wrap up, the retro game console RETROPLAY HDD is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to revisit the classics or explore retro gaming for the first time. With its extensive game library, user-friendly features, and robust performance, it's a journey back in time worth taking. Ready to relive the golden era of gaming? Check out this console on Amazon via our affiliate link in the video description and start your retro adventure today.